Hey, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Joe, and one of the things I love most are salads, especially those that you'll make in few minutes. Now let me share with you a recipe of salad made of 4 ingredients that you'll prepare it in no time. You need some beans, some red onion, lemon, and olive oil. I'll cut the onion and I'll add it to the beans. As for the beans, I use some in the can. A piece of advice: wash them before you prepare the salad and you eat them. So, adding the onion to the beans, adding the lemon and the olive oil. And now I mix everything. Enjoy it and get back to me with your feedback. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes, turn on the notifications, and tell all your friends about it. Love you, bye!